Hey, this is Eric RPG, and when we last left off, I went through the Harris Tower and Aghanim's fortress, and after getting the Master Sword, and we defeated Aghanim, and he threw us in the Dark World, and after we collected a medallion at this little side trip, we ended up here. And I'm pretty sure there is a heart piece, but I'll get it afterwards. I'll look for it, even if it takes a couple minutes. I don't think we need to be on this part. I think we need to go the other side first. This place is a little difficult to get around if you don't know exactly your way through. I like the music though. It's nice and creepy. It's a bit repetitive though. I think it might actually loop around, but I'd rather go this way first. Step into the portal. Avoid that. Dash into the wall. Dash into that one. Well, these guys can only be taken out with arrows, and they'll shoot at you once you directly face them, so you gotta kind of get out of the way. I don't think we could shoot these things with arrows. Oh, we can. I never knew. Those ones split, the red ones. So watch out for that. And they'll try to shock you if you let them sit for too long. We get the map. We need a bomb to open up these walls. Fairies if you need them. And we go here to get a key. Now we gotta warp out of this place. Oh. No more beam power. Oh well. That'll be easily remedied though. Oh. Hey, I do have to go on the other side. There's a couple keys we need to pick up. I wonder if bombs work on these things. Or I could just slash at them. Watch out for these things. They'll shoot at you. We get another key. Now we can finally start the dungeon properly. Now we gotta bomb this. So we can go up here. Get the chest. We've already got the big key. Get another key for the one we just used. We end up back here. I wonder. Nope, it doesn't work at all. Thought I'd try it though. We end up here, get the other key, jump up here. This part's kind of tricky, so I'm gonna save here. Alright, I had that. Bombs that I don't really need, but I'll take them. Get another key. See, that's what happens when you tap a hollow wall. Means you could bomb it. Here's the big chest. It's the most important item we need. In fact, we can't progress out of this dungeon without it. Even though we could probably beat the dungeon without it. Actually, no, we can't. I just remembered. Alright. Let's put this hammer to work. I don't think there's anything down there. Rubies. Haha, kill them all. I think we're supposed to throw a bomb to get through here, but I'm not sure. Nope. That's all we have to do. Lift those up, reveal the switch, push this thing. Maybe take care of those guys. Shoot it right in the eye, because it's very obvious. Bada boom. I might have forgotten something. But we're gonna keep going on anyway. Yeah, we need a key. I forgot I need to go pick that up. Oh well. I think it was back over at that one place. Alright, I forgot. Gotta do that. Alright. I'm gonna have to throw a bomb just to do this the easy way. Sorry for the delay, but oh well. Forgot to go down these stairs. That's what I needed to do. Take care of you. Get some rubies at it while we're at it. Rupees. I gotta keep saying that right. Pick it up, dude. We get an arrow and the final key. And that mess is taken care of. Whoops. Oh yeah, you could smash them too. I forgot about that. Again? Oh jeez. There we go. Finally back on track. I stuck. Shit, man. Forget which one it was. Oh well, I'm gonna save because this boss can be slightly difficult. Even though I have the hammer and I'm supposed to use it on the boss, bombs are safer. So you don't have to wait for them. Or not. Not recommended, actually. You can use them, though. You just gotta time it right. It's a Helmosaur King. This is the closest to Dodongos you get in this game. Alright, now we gotta shoot arrows in its head. Whoa. And yeah, just plug them full of arrows. You can use a sword, but I wouldn't recommend it. When we get the first maiden, we can release her from her crystal prison. Yay! Yeah, we already knew that. Excuse me. Yep, that's why Aghanim was there. Come together right now. Yay. We're gonna be marked on the map now. Yes, I understand. I like how hero is capitalized. Alright, let's look for that other heart piece I missed. Not here. Let's see. I don't think it's up. I think it's down. I'm trying to remember where it might be. Haha. It's a loop. Not there, not there. Maybe there isn't one. I just can't remember. Whoa. Those things hurt. See, now they've all been marked. We're going to actually sequence break and go to stage 3 and 4 first. Just because it's more convenient that way. Plus it makes stage 2's boss really easy. Also, probably going to do stage 6 before we do stage 5 as well. Oh, I guess there isn't one. Oh well. Well, let's head for the town and do stuff there before I do the next dungeon. Oh. That was a bad move. Lift it up. To take the roundabout way because the other way is just ridiculously convoluted. Wait a minute. I have to go around. Never mind. Like I said, I don't remember this game completely. Even though as many times as I've played through it. The bomb shop. Screw it, let's do stage 2 first. I'm definitely doing stage 4 before I'm doing 3. Yeah, there's nothing over there, I think. Probably going to explore it anyway, though. Take some ruby. It's a secret to everybody. Yay. Well, I'm set for the rest of the game. Yeah, I'll leave the rest of them for later. Let's go exploring over here before I do the next dungeon, though. I can't go over there, apparently. Yeah. Not yet, anyway. Now, here's what I'm supposed to do. Alright. Of course, you land right on top of me. Darn it. See, what I did was I somehow drained the water in this world as well. But for now, I'm gonna call this a video, and I'll meet you in the next video. See you guys later.